Yeah, every day vittu Amerikan taipaliira. Oikeesti tuu alan taas sillä samassa paikassa se tietty. Every day Amerikan liira. Aisti se oikeesti. Mitä helvettiä? No. Why you say shut the fuck up? Why don't you use new? Hey. Why don't you use nuclear weapons in Iraq? Why don't you vittu fucking nuclear bomb vittu in the Iraq? Mikä on vittu Englannissa saatana ydinase? Nuclear weapon. Pankaa saatana se ydinase sinne, niin vittu loppuu se vittu vehtaan. I mean, why don't you fucking use nuclear weapons, saatana asshole motherfucker? I don't vittu can speak English because I'm from vittu saatana fucking asshole boy. Pankaa nyt saatana ydinpommi sit sinne vitu Irakiin. Hey, do you know Al-Bandi? Do you know how to James Bond? No, I'm from Finland.
Get ready for the next round.
Antas niin vittu ne jotain se saa yksinään vittu. Mitä saa englanniksi vittu ydinpommi?
Defend the objective.
Hey,
Friendly airstrike on the way.
To lend me one nuclear, then I drop into America. Vittu. Why don't you vittu drop the nuclear weapon into vittu America? I vote Hillary Clinton, then I drop nuclear weapon. I can't speak English because I'm not from America. I help you if you can give me nuclear bomb. I'm from Finland. We all hate America. We all hate American people. No.
Enemy UAV is airborne.
All American is shithead black motherfuckers. Yeah, we all racist. We all racist. We hate black motherfuckers.
Time's almost up.
Target down.
Hey asshole, you didn't even
Marines.